Lauren Powell Jobs, the spouse of late Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, visited Kashi Vishwanath Temple in Varanasi recently. She could not touch the sacred shivling during her visit despite a significant ritual ceremony, creating anguish. Swami Kailashanand Giri Maharaj, a religious head, explained to her the underlying reasons behind such traditions, under which no one was allowed to touch the shivling. Visit of Kashi by Lawrence Powell Jobs. Lawrence Powell Jobs, an enthusiastic spiritual lover, once visited Kashi Vishwanath Temple along with her spiritual tour of Mahakumbh Mela. Swami Kailashanand Giri told that she is highly spiritual and respects Indian culture and rituals in a spiritual manner. She is very religious and spiritual. She respects me as a father and guru. Indian traditions are being accepted by the world, he told reporters. Why was she denied physical access to the shivling? The primary reason Lauren was not allowed to touch the shivling lies in the temple's strict adherence to tradition. Swami Kailashanand Giri stated, "As per our Indian tradition in Kashi Vishwanath, no one other than a Hindu can touch the shivling. This is a long-standing protocol that I, as an acharya, am bound to uphold. If these traditions are not maintained, they will lose their sanctity." Instead, Lawrence was allowed to witness the shivling from a distance and receive prasad and a garland signifying her participation in the rituals. Involvement in ceremonies in the Niranjani Akhara. At the Niranjani Akhara, Lauren Powell Jobs also took effort to participate in a certain ritual at the ascension ceremony of Visanand Giri Maharaj of Swami Kailashanand Giri. These reports state she had taken part of wholeheartedly in pulsating the rituals and looked forward to bathing in the Ganga during the course of her stay in the Mahakumbh. It will attract more than 40 crore devotees to witness it in this 12-yearly extravaganza this year, typically conducted at the juncture of three rivers, Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, such that it certainly acquires the best image in the world as the most significant spiritual congregation in the world. The most important bathing ritual, the Sahani Snan, will be observed on the following days: January 14th, Makar Sankranti; January 28th, Mauni Amavasya; February 3rd, Basant Panchami. Swami Kailashanand Giri expressed hope that the Mahakumbh will proceed without obstacles and emphasized its significance in uniting people through spirituality. Respect for tradition amid global interest. Lawrence's respectful compliance with temple protocols highlights the growing global acceptance of Indian traditions. Her visit underlines the universal appeal of India's rich spiritual heritage, while sparking discussions on maintaining the sanctity of age-old customs in an increasingly interconnected world. As the Mahakumbh continues to draw millions of devotees, Lawrence Powell Jobs' spiritual journey serves as a reminder of how tradition and modernity can coexist, enriching cultural exchange and fostering deeper respect for diverse beliefs.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth, and visit our website www.topstoriesworld.com.